Hey, puppy dog. What you doing?
Last time, your video was titled something like taking our new puppy on her hike, on the first hike to Bradley Falls.
Mm-hmm.
So is this one going to be titled taking our new daughter-in-law our
Yeah,
first hike to Bradley?
sure, why not? Actually, none of us have been to this fall before. This is Twin Falls, yeah. And I'm just talking to the camera here, but the road coming up, if it's any indication, it should be a pretty good waterfall, because it was like the road kept getting smaller, smaller, smaller. Gamaliel used to eat fruit snacks with ketchup on them, so. We're at Twin Falls in South Carolina. I don't remember what town we're in. We found it on GPS, and without GPS, I don't think we would have been able to get here. So it's a surprisingly popular spot. There's a lot of cars around here. The waterfall looked impressive from the pictures we could see, and we're going to see what there is now. So here it is. So lots of warning signs. Stay off, don't. No hunting, fishing, camping, swimming, climbing on the rocks, yada yada yada. Looks like the trail's in good condition. Yep, so this is a new trail for us. We'll see how it goes. So far, the trail's really good condition. I just remembered, it said it's near the town of Sunset, South Carolina, but I don't know that that's actually a town. We just kept getting into smaller and smaller roads coming up here, and I never really did see a town. Yeah, there were a few really nice houses right before we got up the road to here. Not sure what you do for a living if you live up here. You want to see what's to the right? Yeah, I mean... yeah, let the dog get a drink. That's probably one thing she needs. This is pretty. Yeah. This is very pretty. Yeah, this is beautiful.
If we get 500 feet of walking per scenic view, then that's a pretty good ratio.
Yeah. I mean, it's you know, it's not even in a park or anything like that. It's just at the end of a road. We've probably hiked, I don't know, maybe 500 yards and we can already see the waterfall. Looks pretty impressive. And there is a boardwalk going up there. That's... Sadie Pop, come here. That is an impressive waterfall. I'll show you on the camera in just a minute here. Oh, there's somebody on the top of it too. Wow, that's impressive. So I took the drone up and did some video and also did some long exposure still shots, which I'm pretty sure came out great so long as the drone was steady. And I think I'm done flying now. I'm gonna go stick my feet in the water and explore a little bit. Okay, I'm told this is not as slick as it looks, so I'm gonna find out whether that is in fact true or not. And it is true. You can walk through here. No, it's really not that slippery. That said, do at your own risk. You putting a daisy in your hair?
Someone's like sand all over the place.
Yeah, it's not slippery at all, really.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool up there.
Yeah.
Just all the water flowing down there. Looks like there must have been a landslide here because there's a whole bunch of trees covered in mud down at the bottom, and there's a bear patch up there. All right, so Twin Falls in, near Sunset, South Carolina. Definitely worth it. If you like hiking, probably not great because it's hardly a hike to get in here. But if you like waterfalls, it's fantastic. If you don't like hiking, perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you next time.